The 2011 Infiniti G35. The Infiniti G35 is a true sports car. It features a powerful engine, a sports suspension, and rear-wheel drive, all marks of sporting cars. Rear-wheel drive offers handling response that front-wheel drive can't usually match, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, driver and passenger airbag, keyless entry, cruise control, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, MP3 playback stereo, rear window defroster, power windows, power door locks, battery saver, traction control system, satellite radio, leather. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.